Hey friend, it's me. Let's be real for a second. Trying to make money online can feel overwhelming. You've probably bought the courses, maybe even dropped hundreds of dollars, and yet your store still isn't set up. Your website's sitting half done, and you're wondering if this whole online business thing is even worth it. I get it. I've been there. That's why I created the From Idea to Income Society. Inside, you'll find easy to follow trainings like Kickstart Your Digital Product Journey, email marketing made simple, email marketing that pays, affiliate marketing. You'll get instant access to a template library that cuts your work in half. Plus, we hang out every week for things like Tutorial Tuesday and Coffee and Creation. So you can actually take action instead of just collecting information. But here's what makes this different. You're not doing it alone. We've got a group of motivated, supportive people all chasing the same goal. And when you need a pep talk, I'm right there because I know what it feels like to be stuck. And the best part, it's not going to cost you hundreds. It's literally the price of a coffee per month. So if you're ready to skip the guesswork and actually launch your first or next digital product, come join us. The link's below. I can't wait to see you inside.